Are you a drilling engineer or someone passionate about oil and gas production? Ever wondered how to calculate oil and gas flow rates from a well? In today's video, we'll break down a practical numerical problem related to crude oil and gas production. Step by step. Whether you're a student, an engineer, or just curious, this is for you. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll master essential calculations for the oil and gas. And there you have it. We just walked through an essential numerical problem for oil and gas engineers. Now it's your turn. Try solving a similar problem and drop your answers in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more technical insights, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy drilling!